Here's what 3 years locks looks like. I locked my hair 3 years ago. Here are the regrets, the things that have worked, and what nobody talks about. May 1st, 3 years ago, I made a decision to lock my hair. And the first year was the most brutal, which we will talk about later. But I'm very, very glad with the decision. And I'm also very, very thankful that I do not and have not experienced lint and buildup. So let's start with what has worked. The barest minimum. I'm sure you've heard this before. I'm not the first to say it. I heard it somewhere. I took it on and that's what I've done. Barest minimum. Wet my hair once or twice a week with water only. Wash once or twice a month with just shampoo and oils. Don't overstyle with styles that pull your hair back and help make you lose your edges. I keep it very, very simple. I would either wear my hair in barrel twists like this and keep it on for a while, or I would just let my hair down. Most of the time, 9 out of 10 times, you would see me with just my hair down. And if I do go to the loctician, I have her do barrel twists and I leave those in for a while before I take it out. I know that lint is a big, big problem with a lot of people in the lock hair community. A lot of people complain about lint. Thankfully, I have not had that problem. I don't know why. I don't know if there's anything different I'm doing. I did throw out all my woolly jumpers when I locked my hair, and I make sure that I'm sleeping with my bonnet or silk scarf, and I have a silk pillowcase as well. I don't know if that has worked. I think that my hair texture just somehow does not like lint, because I don't know why everyone else is complaining about it, but I haven't experienced it. I spoke to my loctician about it. She said that she doesn't know if it's my hair texture. She thinks that I'm just doing a good job with doing all the right things to stay away from lint. So honestly, the only thing I've done is my satin pillowcase, satin silk scarf to sleep, and I don't try as much as possible not to wear woolly jumpers and woolly scarves. The main thing I miss about my loose natural hair is styling, is braids. I have not braided my hair in about a year. I do try, every now and then I'll try and install some braids, but it just is too stiff because my locks are mature and I have to use a lot of extension. I miss braids. I really, really miss braids. When I see braids, I'm like, oh, I miss my braids. I don't miss it enough to take out my locks or go back to loose natural. I think locks kind of look like braids anyway, and you can still style your locks like you would style your braids. We're still on a hair journey. The goal is to see how much length I can retain in 5 years. That's my goal. I want to see how long my hair can get in 5 years, because 5 years loose natural, the hair just got to one point where it just stopped growing. I want to see if that happens with my locks. So that's my goal. So let's now talk about the things that nobody talks about. And I find that everybody talks about how difficult the first year locked is, and it's not easy. Locking your hair and just looking at it and waiting for your locks to mature, it is stressful, because when you look at it, it just looks like a hot mess and you can easily give up. What I found to work, which I haven't seen a lot of people talk about, is braiding the locks. If you use extensions on your locks, that is a nice way to, just keep it in. Don't have to look at it, don't have to deal with it, just braid. I did that for a year. For the year, my first year being locked, I was constantly braiding the locks. So I would just wear my hair in braids. If you wear wigs, you can do wigs as well, and let the hair underneath the locks, let it just do its thing, let it mature. And after it matures, then you can start to enjoy it. Yeah, so if you are locking your hair and you're in the first year and it's just looking a hot mess and you feel like giving up, braid it. Go get your hair braided. Wear a wig, leave the hair, just hide it, because it's not easy that first year. And once it matures, then you start to wear it out. Then you start to get the hang of it. Then you start to enjoy it. At least that's what I did, and that's what worked for me. And so yeah, I thought I would share that. I have enjoyed my loc journey, I'm not going to lie. I do not regret a thing. I've enjoyed it. It's been so easy. Just get up and go. 3 years now and I have no regrets. I don't post that often on this channel. I post mainly on my children's channel. I make videos for children and I post there weekly. But every now and then, you know, I post on here. I think this might be my 3rd video this year and we're already in May when this video comes out. Let's see, have I got anything else to share? I think that is it. That is it. If you're thinking of locking your hair, please go ahead and do it. You will not regret. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you when I see you. Bye.